Hey, here I am with another update on my progress. I have to stitch this video together because my video grabber is giving me a really hard time. He freezes after a couple of minutes and the sound records, but the video doesn't play, whatever. I will try to handle that as good as possible, but please bear with me, okay? It's Monday, end of the year, and I don't know, my screen grabbers really don't like me today. So, without further ado, the new stuff. I've been working on core gameplay elements today, especially on the generic bonus features. There are two types of possible bonus classes in the game. The one that I mentioned, the generic stuff, that is available and happening while you play each and every level. The second class will be level driven. Just like your pinball machines, there will be zones when you reach them give you a certain bonus, or if you hit a couple of objects in rapid succession or in a specific order, you will get a special bonus, things like that. But that will be part of the level design. I will script that for each and every level individually. The things that I added today are core gameplay. You already know the score multiplier that increases the more often you hit the green accelerator elements in rapid succession. That still is in there, but I added a couple of new things. The time bonus, for instance, is one of them. The time bonus means that if you keep the ball in the game without having it run into the firewall at the bottom, the longer you manage to keep it in the game, the higher your bonus will be. So that is a special bonus that you can gain based on certain intervals. Then there is the bonus that you get when you destroy removable elements in rapid succession. The more you destroy, the higher your bonus will be there as well. And it also works in steps, so the first one is 3, then 6, then 9, and so on, and you always get a new higher bonus if you keep the pacing. Okay. Then there is Paddle Panic. Paddle Panic is something I came up with because I had a couple of incidences where I had to really juggle the ball with the paddle and really just made it and kept the ball in the game. Sorry, and that is when I came up with this Paddle Panic bonus. So if you save him and hit him like 5 times in a row in rapid succession, then you get a bonus for really doing a good job. Then there is the speed bonus. The speed bonus isn't about getting additional score. The speed bonus basically turns the ball into a cannonball, and as long as it is above a certain speed level, it will stay that cannonball and be able to destroy a lot of elements, even though they are very robust and you would take like 4 or 5 hits with a regular ball. This one in that mode will destroy the ball, will destroy the objects in one go, and maybe even in combination then give you another bonus with the multiple destroy bonus or whatever. All right. So this. Oh, okay. Yeah, I changed some of the elements in the game. As you can see, the death icon is different now. Not that important and not final. So this is playing again in the Unity gameplay mode. I have some issues again with the screen grabbing from my smartphones. I really can't seem to figure out how to get it properly done. But anyway, I have a couple of things here that work not as smooth as on the smartphones. Even on my Samsung Galaxy S2, the whole entire thing runs really smooth, which makes me really happy because there are a lot of particle effects, translucence effects, the entire physics and everything going on in the background, and of course a lot of scripts and background stuff. But it works really absolutely smoothly. So yeah, I'm really happy. Let's check if we can get some of the bonus features running. Whoa. Here we go. Yeah, that was very close to Paddle Panic. You can see him react to hitting the paddle, and the more often you hit him, the more variations you will see of his facial expressions. The facial expressions are new as well. I implemented them yesterday and throughout the day today, and it has been so rewarding and so much fun, and it adds so much to the character of the game, no pun intended, that I will definitely keep them in there. I mentioned that I wasn't sure if I would keep the face idea in the game, but it adds so much to the game. It needs a little bit of tweaking still, but it is so much fun because he reacts now to everything that happens around him or to him, and it gives the game a really cool cartoon character, and you really feel with the poor guy. So I will not only have him in the menus, you will also see his reactions in the game. And one of the reasons that I wasn't sure if it would work was the resolution and screen size on smartphones, but no problem whatsoever. I have this cartoon effect where I scale his the eyes and mouth and everything, as you can see, and it is on smartphones absolutely no problem whatsoever. I tweaked the graphics a little bit. I optimized the graphics when it comes to colors and compressing, and it works great. I'm so happy. And the combinations that happen sometimes are really hilarious. It's just great. I'm really happy. Bonus features, yes, great. Work as well. Core gameplay, and yeah, that was the multiplayer, the score multiplayer that you saw just now. But of course, the level design is makeshift, just as the sounds are, and the layout for the user interface isn't final at all. There's some user interface elements missing. I try to keep it as clean and lean as possible. I don't like convoluted user interfaces, but some of the things that the player has to know are still not in there. So I will implement them and work on the design for that much later. Right now I'm focusing, as I said, on core gameplay mechanics before I go into level design and creating more. Where's my paddle? Where's my paddle? Yep, there we go. Everything back to normal. So because the core gameplay has to work before I do anything else, because that is what everything else is based on. And then the fun stuff begins, where I will design the levels, I will design special areas and things like that. And I'm really looking forward to this. I'm enjoying this project really a lot. It's simple to a certain degree. It has its definite challenges, especially when it comes to the physics and the design and whatnot. But the way it has been going so far in the, I don't know, what was that, 2 weeks that I spent some spare time on developing this, I'm really happy, and I will definitely work keep working on this at a rapid pace because I'm really enjoying what I'm doing right now. So I hope I can release a new video before Christmas. Yeah, no, that was last week. Before New Year's Eve. It's already the end of the year. That went so fast. But if I can't, if there's not enough progress or I have other stuff to do, I will definitely release a new video before the weekend. Can't wait to continue working on this. But if I don't, thanks for watching. Have a great New Year's Eve. Fireworks, drinks and all, I know I will. And party, go out there and have a really great, successful and lovely, happy 2015. Thanks for watching. Thanks for taking your time. Please link, subscribe and share, and let me know what you think. Feedback is always needed and appreciated. Bye bye guys.